Hi there, I'm Ann Milano and welcome to 1230 Roderick Drive, Marietta, Georgia 30066. Let's take a look inside.
1230 Roderick Drive is a two-story brick and vinyl-sided home located in Oxford Manor, a swim community located in Cobb County and the city of Marietta. As you enter this warm home, you are met by the gleaming hardwood floors. To the left of the foyer is the large vaulted great room with cozy brick fireplace, perfect for a night at home. Directly ahead, you will find the formal dining room for those large family gatherings. Beyond the formal dining room, we find the huge vaulted sunroom with a view to the kitchen, perfect for those game day weekends or relaxing with a good book. As we enter the kitchen with its white cabinets, tile floors, and granite countertops, we find the perfect breakfast area for those morning cups of coffee. Now let's head upstairs to find the large vaulted master suite with huge closet and inviting master bath with double vanity, granite countertops, and a Swiss garden tub, perfect for a relaxing bubble bath. Now onto a good-sized secondary bedroom with a Jack and Jill bathroom that leads into the third bedroom. Spend an evening under the stars, a weekend get-together, or just enjoy a glass of wine in your private fenced backyard. With easy access to I-75 and 575, the Battery for a night out, or to watch the Braves play, 1230 Roderick Drive is the perfect place to call home. Contact Associate Broker Ann Milano at 404-966-3980 for more information about this perfect find.